Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. I am doing a tutorial on the James Charles palette, but a non-colorful look. Back when I did my review on the James Charles palette, I did mention that I was going to do a tutorial on this, and it's kind of been a little while, so here it is. I'm sorry, it's a little belated, but I think this came out pretty nice. I love the whole faux wing look. It's one of my favorite things to do. I use tape to do it. It's a great technique if you are not good at winged eyeliner. It's super easy and it gives you a really nice like cat eye kind of look. I hope you find it helpful to help broaden your looks for using the James Charles palette. I know you can do so much with this with color, but I wanted to make sure that I did one without color as well. My last few videos have been kind of long, so I kind of didn't talk a whole lot into this video. I hope you guys don't mind. I do want to keep some of my videos on the shorter length just because I know that not everybody likes to watch 20 to 30 minute long videos like I do because I have no life. As always, if you missed something in the video, I will leave everything in the description box below of what I used on my face, so just check that out. If you guys end up enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Alright guys, so I already primed my eyelid with a concealer and I set it with the shade Canvas in the palette. I'm going to use the M441, a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to use the shade Code James in the palette to start doing my transition shade. To get this sharp wing, I did use tape, so I almost forgot to do this. So let's go ahead and add some tape right now before I get too crazy over here. Alright, now let's continue with that transition shade. Now I'm using the shade Punch Me, and I'm just kind of using this shade to kind of neutralize this color just a tiny bit. Now I'm using the shade No Beans, which is a deep brown shade that is in the center row of the palette, and I'm really making sure I get a lot of that down here against the tape line. So this is just going to be on the outer area of the eye, and I am going to bring it in about halfway. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a flat brush, and I'm going to use the shade Spooky, the black in the palette, and I'm going to run this along the tape and my lash line to give it that wing look. And then I'm going to go into No Beans one more time and just blend around that black. Alright, and then I'm going to go into the shade Ring Light and use this on the lid area. I just am noticing that I kind of brought the black in a little bit further on this side, so I'm just gonna, I didn't add any extra product on this brush, I'm just gonna kind of pull it in a little bit further. And then I'm gonna go into Code James and pull some of that orange back in again up here in the transition area. And there we go. That is the eyeshadow complete, so we're gonna go ahead and take off this tape and reveal our beautiful sharp line. I think that I may have brought it up a little bit further on this side, but it's fine. And I'm gonna highlight my brow bone really quick just with the same shade that I used on my eyelid called Ring Light. So that's the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some false lashes. We'll be back to finish up the face. Okay guys, lashes are on. These are the Lilly lashes in the style Miami. I'm actually really growing to love them. On one of my recent videos, I wasn't sure how I felt about them, but I'm really like starting to love them. So I'm just priming my face right now with the Touch in Sol No Poreblem primer. It looks like this. Got it in a recent box. I think I got it last month in my BoxyCharm box, and I haven't used it since that unboxing. So I figured, why not give it a try again. And now I'm gonna go in with the Miliani Conceal and Perfect in the shade, I think this is Porcelain? Yeah, Porcelain 00A. It's literally the lightest shade they carry. And I'm gonna take my Smashbox Photo Finish Priming Water, and I'm gonna spray my sponge because I've been really loving doing this. I don't know what it is, but I just feel like blends out my foundation so nicely when I do that. And then I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape. This is the shade Fair. I'm almost done with this one, so I'm trying to use it up. And then I'm just gonna blend this out. My card just ran out of memory, so I kind of had to skip ahead a little bit, but I just finished blending out my concealer. I'm gonna use some of my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in 05 Fair to set underneath my eyes. Just use the excess. I don't really feel like the rest of my face needs to be set, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit on the lower lash line to kind of finish that up. I'm gonna go in with that first shade that we used, Code James. Is it Code James? Yeah, Code James. And then No Beans on the outer half. And that's the lower lash line. I'm just gonna use the L'Oreal Voluminous Carmine Black Mascara on my lower lashes. And a black liner on my waterline. I zoned out on the name. I don't know why I didn't do this before my mascara. Okay, so eyes are officially done. Let's go ahead and do some bronzer. I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and get some color bake. I'm gonna use the NARS blush in Madley. It is a nude blush. And then for highlight, I'm gonna use the shade Ring Light that we used on my brow bone and my eyelid from the James Charles palette as my highlight. And on my inner corners as well. And then I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton for my lips. Okay, so here is the finished look. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and kind of give you some ideas to use the James Charles palette in a non-colorful way. I know you can do so much with this palette, but I wanted to do something not colorful, and I really like this look a lot. I love the whole faux wing liner look. I'm really into that lately, if you guys can't tell already. Sorry I didn't talk very much. My videos have been so long lately, so I'm trying to kind of shorten certain videos like these tutorials. I think that they don't really need to have like super long talking in them. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on my future uploads, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.